and ultimate side hustle ideas to make extra money. Looking to make some extra cash? We've got you covered with the top 10 side hustle ideas. Utilize your skills and offer services like writing, graphic design, or web development. Share your knowledge and expertise by offering online tutoring services. List your spare room or property on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo for extra income. Earn money by delivering food or groceries with apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash. Love animals? Offer your services as a pet sitter or dog walker with apps like Rover. Earn passive income by renting out rarely used items on platforms like Fat Llama. Provide remote administrative support as a virtual assistant with websites like Zirtual. Design and sell digital products like ebooks or online courses on platforms like Etsy. Share your passion and expertise through a blog or YouTube channel and monetize your content. Use your specialized knowledge to offer consulting services to businesses or individuals. Ready to start earning?